Hello. When the computer is running for a long time, it leads to a state of lag, but you want the machine to return to the original state when installing Windows, but you do not want to reinstall Windows. Then today I will show you how to restart your computer to return to a state like when you just installed Windows without installing Windows. First, click on the Windows icon and select the Settings item. Here, scroll down to find the Recovery section. Then click on the item Recovery. In the Recovery option, there are two items: Restore this PC and Advanced Startup. If you select the Reset PC section of Reset this PC, a Reset this PC window will appear. In this window, there are two options: Keep My Files, which will delete all apps and settings but will keep your data and files, and Remove Everything, which will delete all apps and settings, data and files on the computer. If you want your computer to look like it was just bought or just installed, then select the Remove Everything option. If you want to keep the data, select Keep My Files. I will choose Keep My Files. If you have a cloud storage account, select Cloud Download, otherwise select Local Reinstall. An additional settings window appears with the current settings of restoring the apps and settings that came with the computer and resetting the Windows of the device. To change the settings, you select Change Settings, depending on the settings. If you choose Yes or No or leave the default, then select Confirm. Then select Next to continue. The test machine is ready, and the screen will show that the Windows settings will return to default. Keep your computer's files, reset settings, and remove installed apps and programs. To see uninstalled apps, click on View Apps that have been removed. If you are sure you want to reset, select the Reset option. The machine will prepare to reset. You wait for the machine to set up and reinstall. During this process, you must keep the power to the computer on because turning it off will cause an error. The time is longer than 30 minutes, so I will fast forward. After setting up and reinstalling, your computer has rotated. Install again, like when you just installed Windows. When the installation is complete, you should go to the Update section to update the driver as well as the necessary updates of Windows. Click on the Windows icon. Select the Setting item, then select the Windows Update item. Here you click on the Download Now item. You wait for the machine to update. So I showed you how to reset your computer to its original state without reinstalling Windows. If you find it interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Hello, and see you again.